Go.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to another.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Kim Abral B. Santiago, but you can call me Kim, and in this video, my partner Anthony Habla will help us understand what delta method is with two examples. If you will like this video, and if you do, please hit the subscribe button below and hit the like button to give us happiness. Okay, so the video will start in 3, 2, 1.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to our another episode. I am Anthony Cesar Nicolas Habla, and this is how we learn math. For this week's episode, we will be discussing about delta method. But before anything else, let's define the word delta. Delta is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet. But in our discussion today, we'll be associating the word delta in our equation. Now, the symbol for this delta method that we'll be using is like a triangle-shaped sign. Now, here are the steps. Now, step 1. In the given equation, replace x with x plus delta x and y to y plus delta y, and then simplify. Step 2. Find the delta y by subtracting the given equation from the obtained equation in step 1, and then simplify. Step 3. Divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x, and then simplify. Step 4. Find the limit as delta x as it approaches to 0. Let's have our first example.
We have our first example. Find the derivatives of y equals 4x squared plus 15. Step 1. In the given equation, replace x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y and simplify. We have y plus delta y equals 4 times x plus delta x squared plus 15. Y plus delta y equals 4 times x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 15. Then we have y plus delta y equals 4x squared plus 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared plus 15. We have simplified and we have done the step 1. Step 2. Find delta y by subtracting the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1 and then simplify. So, we have the equation y equals 4x squared plus 15. It will be subtracted to the equation obtained in step 1. Then, we have our answer 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared. To step 3. Divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x, and then simplify. Then we have the answer. Delta y over delta x equals 8x plus 4 delta x. We have cancelled the delta x in the 8x delta x and 1 delta x in the 4 times delta x squared. Finally, we will proceed to step 4. Find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. We have delta y over delta x equals the limit of delta x as it approaches to 0. Delta y over delta x equals the limit of delta x as it approaches to 0 times 8x plus 4x delta x. The answer will be delta y over delta x equals 8x. So, the answer of find the derivatives of y equals 4x squared plus 15 is 8x.
Still feeling confused? Here is our example number 2.
We have the second example. Find the derivative of y equals x squared minus 5x plus 8. Step 1. In the given equation, replace x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y and then simplify. We have y plus delta y equals x plus delta x squared minus 5 times x plus delta x plus 8. Note, use the Pascal's triangle. Then we have the answer. Y plus delta y equals x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x plus 8. Simplify. We have y plus delta y equals x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x plus 8. Step 2. Find delta y by subtracting the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1 and then simplify. We have the equation y equals x squared minus 5x plus 8. Then, let's subtract this to the newly obtained equation in step 1. The final answer will be delta y equals 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 5 delta x. Step 3. Divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x and then simplify. Then we have delta y equals 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 5x. Divide both sides by delta x. Then the answer will be delta y over delta x equals 2x plus delta x minus 5. Finally, let's proceed to step 4. Find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. We have dy over dx equals limit as delta x approaches to 0. Delta y over delta x equals limit as delta x approaches to 0. 2x plus delta x minus 5. We have the final answer, which is the derivative of 2x minus 5.
So that was the delta method. I hope you guys understood and loved it because my partner Anthony really worked hard for us to understand. Well, I hope you guys love it, and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Bye. Bye.